Hey and welcome back to the Geode nail art tutorial today. So today I'm going to show you how to create this look, and I've been inspired by this look by seeing resin art all over the internet. And I'm going to start with 3 coats of Teddy from the gel bottle ink, and then I'm going to cure each layer for 60 seconds in the lamp. This look is a really effective and simple nail art look to do, and it looks good against any colour, to be honest, but I prefer the nude look of Teddy, so that's why I usually opt for Teddy, and then this smoky marble geode look against it. I'm using 5 colours from the Halo range today. I'm using Neon Peach, Cerise, Orchid, French White, and then I decided to use a bit of pink glitter as well, and just dabbing them one on top of the other here on top of my tile. And then I will go in with a dotting tool and just mix them ever so gently. And this is my Ombre brush from BQAN. I'll use that to pick the colour up. So here I'm going in and I'm using the dotting tool. And then I'm going to apply a layer of the Gel Bottles Blooming Gel on this. And don't cure. This is very important. Do not cure this coat. So we're going to use our Ombre brush and just pick it up and just place it on the nail. There's no real work to do here. You don't even have to really work it into the nail. You just let it drag. And that's it. And then you can see the edges are fraying out there and smoking. That's what you want. And then you cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm going in with my fine liner brush from Tracey and using my nail art gel from Mosaic. And I'm just going to use that and go along the sides just to line it. And then this really gives it a geode slice look. I find this is a really effective look, especially on your clients that just want a set of nude nails but one nail art finger on their ring finger. This is a really quick and easy, effective look. And it's really super pretty to look at as well. The lighting in my video here isn't doing it justice, but it is super pretty. So I'm going to go in with the Gel Bottle Ink top coat, and I'm going to top coat that and then cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and that is that look done. So the finished look is something like this. Let me know what you guys think, and if you'd like to see more videos from me, hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.